of the north at the ending of the summer. Red and white is the mushroom that grows where the forest shadows lie. Gathered and dried for the howl of the wolf at the threshold of the winter, when the mushroom will feed every dream and will open every eye.
Here where the streets are filled with lights and the first big sights come forth, just a few short weeks from now, it's Christmas time. Children will set their hearts on snow and their hopes toward the north, where the icy wind will blow and Christmas will be white.
When they waken and dance as the wind starts to swirl and to kindle, soon the howl of the wolf raises reindeer aloft into the air. Down the paths of the sky, under stars and the shimmer of the sleigh bells, red and white for the shaman who sings with the snowfall in his hair.
Here where the shops are thronged with folk making ready for the feast, bringing every goodness home at Christmas time. Loud ones will come from far and wide, through the wind and rain and storm, to a welcome always warm, to celebrate every wisdom is here once here at Christmas time has come. If tonight you look outside your window at the sky, you will see the sleigh pass by. You might hear the shaman's voice and meet the song, the reindeer fly. Come on, neighbor, and join in the dance of the magic and the reindeer. Fill your hearts and your tongues with the warmth of a million-colored lights. Bring your feast to the fire to be shared in the gladdening of nations. Throw your thanks in the air for the reindeer to raise them to the heights.
Then the legend reads again when the northern skies go near and the wondrous ones appear from far from the past,
Heralding the day we shine us away, we might hear the
with winter comes a wanderer, and kindness follows in his way. His wounded heart can never heal, but through it light will break.
It was a cousin of the king who to the court a bride did bring. His own wife journeyed by his side when Pegasus
With winter comes the wanderer into and dust in freezing mist, seeking in vain the hidden realm unlocked by a pen and a fist. The kindness follows in his wake, each day he curses his mistake. But from his wounded heart, the red gold light will ever When the gale rises high, lifting leaves in the autumn sky, catch them as they pass you by, started away the storm.
When they swirl all around, never let them touch the ground. Keep their power safely bound.
Use it to bring the storm. Leaves of scarlet gold lose their grip as the year grows old.
But the strongest leaves were in the high summer storms.
Though the gale tears them free, they keep all their potency. Use them very sparingly, casting a spell for snow. While the leaves sleep, building up their energy, you must align yourself to the north.
Walk the high paths facing the coldest air.
Make yourself a conduit a mile from the north. Let yourself be known. Watch with the side by side. Open your mind's back door to the Lord. And then it stops. The slumbering leaves awake.
A waiting crow calls, the window starts to shake. Now comes the moment when the leaves are released.
Let the jars be opened.
Let the leaves touch the gods, bring their help from the north and east.
So they fly far from here, making waves in the atmosphere. This good is going to be the year. Christmas is crowned with snow. Will the autumn come? Will those green leaves need to walk?
Will the polar vortex lose its way in the storm?
We must all wait and see.
Make a wish on the Christmas tree.
Was it chance or was it me?
Casting a spell for snow.
All over Europe and lands of the winter, since time immemorial, this outline is drawn. Mist on the windows where children make pictures to show they remember the snow song.
Where all the geese fly south for the winter, one stays behind to fly northwards itself. All through the storm, clattering down the night into the summer sun from the realms of the dead. On and on.
On and on she flies, unweary, over frozen seas. If she fails, the sun will vanish, every corner of the world will freeze. Far, far away, all alone, no one sees the summer's time, but the legend tells them why, to release the sun, to release the sun.
When the slow goose yields out her last breath, wings let the feathers fall down from her height.
Turning to snowflakes to kiss the cold ground, and the heart gives